Good afternoon to everybody. Mr. Tani Upalsa, President of OGTC and Managing Director of PMPO Group of Companies, and the entire management and the officials of OGTC for having given us an opportunity to present before you about the bank. So I'm sure that any program or any seminar after the lunch is a very tough job, especially for both the participant as well as for the speakers. I think after a very nice lunch, so I don't know how we'll be in a position to offer something innovative. So anyway, we'll make our effort. And we requested our international division DGM, Mr. Balaji, who is stationed at Chennai, to come here, because what we felt was in the present scenario, what the country is undergoing through after the entire globe has become one and the forex market has become so volatile and the situation has become so dynamic, and we are conscious of the fact that all the companies who are dealing in the exports will be interested to know about the dynamic scenario which is now prevailing as far as the currency rates are concerned. And most of the exporters must have been delighted the way things have gone up in the last month, whereas the importers have been little bit slightly concerned. So the way how the things are going to take shape in the days to come. So we requested Mr. Balaji to come and take us through the entire forex market. As far as our bank is concerned, I'll just take for some 5 minutes to just present about the bank. Most of you must be knowing that we have got very light customers like Upalsa, then commanders of exports, various other people. I'm sorry if I missed out people. And our bank is a 95-year-old bank. We are celebrating our centenary year in the year 2016. We had 400 branches. We opened our 400th branch 2 days back at Hyderabad. We have an outlets of around 600 ATMs across the country. This bank was started with a 1 lakh capital, and now today we own funds, that is net owned funds of the bank of around 2,100 crore plus, and our total business is around 48,000 crores. So that has been the journey of the bank for last 95 years. And when we are approaching our centenary, so we have plans of taking the business to 1,25,000 crores. And the last year's profit of the bank was 416 crores. So we are planning to take it up to 1,250 crores. And the current network will be expanded and it will be doubled by the year 2016 July when we will be celebrating our centenary year. So this is about the bank. And I would also like to share the information that we have been very consistent in paying the dividend to the shareholders since the inception. And for the last 8-9 years, you have been paying a dividend of 120%. So that is because of the support of the customers and the relationship we had for decades. So we have recently opened our branch at Connaught Place, though it is long. So we have very recently opened our Connaught Place branch. So as far as the advances, especially to the SME, to the industrial corporates, and to other categories of both exporters and importers. You must be wondering that many of the banks have been offering the various products in terms of the funding. That is, if we talk especially and exclusively in terms of export finance, you have the pre-shipment credit, you have the post-shipment. In terms of the pre-shipment, what are all the latest things that they are coming in addition to the traditional financing in terms of the rupee advance And in terms of now the presently the demand is for post shipment or pre shipment financing in the foreign currency. And I want to show that, that there was some 3 years back or some 4 years back, some of the customers have suffered in terms of derivatives. So now that country has settled in terms of understanding the nitty-gritties of the global foreign exchange scenario, and you have been able to sustain the global crisis, and the way things are shaping up both in Europe and US, I think it's a cause for concern. And yesterday I've been seeing some report that there have been some efforts by China to ensure that our manufacturing sector takes a hit in the long term of 5 to 6 years. So there are a lot of challenges before the manufacturers as well as the bankers, because we should continuously evolve to ensure that we are coming up to your expectations. And especially when the globe has become small and we are exporting to various countries, we have to make doubly sure that the money that is to be received by you is absolutely safe, and we also give you the guidance in terms of the way things are going to come. So we have been evolving various products as far as the foreign exchange is concerned. A small presentation we will make after the forex topic is over on the SME, and we will take you through. I don't want to stand in between Mr. Balaji and all of you. So after that, if there are any other thing that we'll leave it to the session. And as far as our bank is concerned, I can only assure you as a division head of North Operations that as far as the speed is concerned and decision making is concerned, I can assure you that we will come up to the expectations of the exporters, as we are conscious that time is the very crucial element as when we are dealing with the international customers. So that we always keep in our mind and see that the decisions are communicated in time to the customers. Now I leave the forum to Mr. Balaji to go through the presentation.